Hotel travel tips. Before you leave, research hotels, checking amenities and not just price. Be flexible on the dates if possible. For example, business class hotels often have lower weekend rates. When checking in, confirm the checkout time and amenities. Get a card with the hotel's name, address and phone number for cab drivers. Additional amenities. Some hotels provide extra services not listed on their website, such as laundry service, hair dryers, voltage converters, business services, portable beds, baby cribs, shuttle service to airport, rental safe for your valuables, tour and excursion discounts. Before checking out, check the room thoroughly so you don't leave anything behind. Need extra time for checkout? Request it in advance or the hotel may charge you an additional night. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.